So this is the Maracuja app. I'll give a quick demo. Here you currently see the main dashboard. You have the personal assistant and the brain dump assistant. They both live on WhatsApp and they communicate with the main Maracuja app, which has a whole bunch of AI agents which work 24/7 in the background for you. And they can also deliver reports to you by email. Let me show you the brain dump and how it works. So let's go to WhatsApp. Or actually, let's say I've been browsing the internet and I found a very cool website like this, miracle AI assistant and digital brain called Maracuja. So I want to remember that and share that, right? So what I'll do is I'll go here and share that on WhatsApp with my Maracuja brain dump. And I'm here, I'll just send it right now. This is now being received by the assistant. It's typing there, it's processing it. And within a few seconds, it should acknowledge that it has received it. So there we go. It says, got it, link captured. So let's go back to the app and have a quick look at the brain dump. We can access it right here from the dashboard. And sure enough, here is the link I've just dropped. Let's double check and open this link again. So yep, that's the one we've been looking at just a minute ago. It's all there in my digital brain now and stored safely. Now let me show you another cool feature, which is the voice messages. So let's go back to the brain dump on WhatsApp and let me drop a voice message. Tonight, I want to make sure to check out this new Maracuja personal assistant app. It looks pretty cool. So this voice message has been sent to my brain dump. It's now analyzing it. It's transcribing it from speech to text. It's processing it. It's typing here, as you can see. And it replied to me, got it, idea captured. Now let me see if the transcription worked. Let me go to my brain dump and refresh that page. And sure enough, tonight I want to make sure to check out this new Maracuja personal assistant app. It looks pretty cool. So there it is in my brain dump. Let's go back to WhatsApp to have a look at the personal assistant. I can also drop voice messages here. Let's see what it can do for us. Hi Maracuja, how can you help me? So let's see what it will reply. It's always able, of course, to explain to us what it can do for us. It's processing my voice message and let's see what it will reply. Hello, I am Maracuja, personal assistant, and I'm here to help you manage your productivity system directly from WhatsApp. So it can assist with to-do lists, with daily goals, brain dump, AI agents, interests, preferences, prompt library reports, and so on. So let's see if it can return the brain dump entries which is created before. Please return my last 2 brain dump entries. So it's syncing and hopefully it can retrieve the last 2 brain dumps we made. So here we go. It returned the voice message I left before about the Maracuja personal assistant app and also the link which we have dropped before. So that's pretty good. That's exactly what I expected. Let's go back to the app and to the personal assistant page. You can see that everything is also synced here. So these are the last 2 things we just chatted about with the personal assistant, what it can help us with, and then the last 2 brain dump entries. Now let me also give you a quick overview of the rest of the app. So we've already seen the dashboard, explaining the whole system and how it works. Then there is also the statistics section if you scroll down a little bit with all the reports and brain dumps and tasks and goals. It shows you the recent reports and also the most recent brain dump entries. Then we have the onboarding section, which new users will fill out, just to introduce themselves and tell Maracuja where they live so that Maracuja can help them in the best way possible. And importantly, we have to connect to WhatsApp here at the bottom of the onboarding section. We have the personal assistant, we have the brain dump, then we have a page for daily goals, for to-do tasks, and the AI agents. Let's go there, that's an important page. Here we set up the AI agents which will run at any time we want. For example, here I have an agent running to do marketing for social media, and it's configured to run at 7 p.m. every day. No, actually only on Wednesdays, but I could of course also do it on all the days if I wanted to do that, right? And let's save that again. Then that will run every day. We also have here a list of the trending agents, like the morning brief, which will deliver personalized morning briefs for everyone, or the brain dump scanner, which is one of my favorites. It will scan for new items in the brain dump and then analyze this and return a very well structured list and see how this aligns with my long-term goals and ambitions. Then we have the reports page with all the reports being generated by the AI agents, or we can also manually add a report. I like to use it to add a report, like something I don't have time to read, and then I use WhatsApp on the go to ask questions about these long and complex reports.